Hello and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to share you how to run Google Ad campaign step by step for landscaping businesses. So if you want to run Google Ad campaign for any businesses, then this video only for you. So this is my client website. I being the traffic and potential traffic based on our targeting keyword in this website. So first of all, we need to research keyword. So I already researched keyword. Here you can see all the keyword, and I have keyword research and arrange in ad group 1, ad group 2, ad group 3, ad group 4. So you will research all keyword and make it arrange based on ad group based on relevance keyword. Okay, that will be help to get ad copy, get quality score, get the best, and it is help to fight your another your competitor others advertiser. So first of all, research all keyword and make it arrange. Okay, so here you can see I already write keyword research keyword and make it arrange. After researching keyword, then you have to write ad copy. So based on the ad copy, based on the keyword, you have to write ad copy and description. Here you can see I have write headline and description. Okay, then after description you need to set up ad extension. I already write ad extension for our ad group. This is a sitelink extension, and I will use also call out extension. These two extensions I mainly uses in this campaign, so I write this one. And the next step, after publishing a campaign, what you should do, I have already explained. Next step. So let's go step by step. We are starting. First of all, overview of our campaign. So what is overview? First of all, our niche is niche, a landscaping niche. Campaign type is search. Objective is lead. Budget is $20, 20 Australian dollar, and our location I have inputted some location. So first of all, we have to go ads.google.com. Okay, so here you can see ads.google.com. If you don't have Google Ad account, then please let me contact. I will help you completely free to create a Google Ad account for your businesses. Don't need any charges. Okay, so sign in, because I already create an account. After sign in, we need after sign in, it is going to main interface. After here you can see this is my Google Ad account dashboard. Here you can see the campaign option. So please click the new campaign. After clicking new ad campaign, you will get lead option. Please click this one. After creating lead, here you can see conversion. I already set up conversion. If you don't know how to set up conversion, please check video on our YouTube channel. I have created multiple video for conversion setup. Then click the continue option. After clicking continue option, please select the search option, and after clicking search option, here you can see website visit. Please write your website URL. So I just copy this one and paste here, and go to the continue option. After continue option, write landscaping search campaign. Okay, by Amin, 20 AU 5 to 2005. Okay, and then we need to go next continue option. After clicking continue option, here you can see conversion. Don't click the conversion, please click the clicks, and we need to set up and please set a maximize click. So I will select 3. Maximum CPC will be 3. Okay, so click set this value, and after set this value, please continue the next option, Google search network and Google display network. Okay, I will select this one and click, this is the very important, click presence option, and after presence option we need to our location. So please click the advanced option, advanced search, and here you can see click add location in bulk. Please click this one and copy your all location. So I copy this one, I copy all location and paste here and search. After searching, here you can, one location is not found, avoid this one and target all location and save this one. After saving, please continue next option. Here you can see AI generated some information, please skip this one. Okay, and after clicking here you can see, just close this one, they already give some keyword but we don't use this keyword. Okay, so we already have a research keyword, so we will go keyword, and here you can see I have uses broad match keyword, then phase match keyword, then exact match keyword. So if you have a good budget, enough budget, then you can use all type of keyword, but if you have a low budget, then you should use only affordable keyword and exact match keyword. Okay, so let's go. This is phase match keyword, I will use only phase match keyword now. And then paste here. Then I just only phase match keyword. If you want, we can target also exact match keyword. So just here you can see, please give me exact match keyword. So if you give me ChatGPT, here they will give you exact match keyword. I just paste here, and here you can see this is exact match keyword. Just copy this one and paste here. Then here you can display path URL. So I will write best landscaper. Okay, best landscaper. Then call extension. Already we have a call extension. Just click this one. I already set up this one, so we use this one and apply this one. Okay, then we need to write add copy now. So we already write add copy, so we need to write add copy. So affordable landscaping near you. So just paste here. Unfortunately, one character is more now. So best landscaper near you. Okay, this one is perfect. Then we will write here from top landscaping. So top landscaping, okay. Local landscaping expert, okay. Then we will write some low cost landscaping near me. Then budget friendly landscaping. Budget friendly landscaping. Then get free code today. This one is the best. So in this way you need to add copy very carefully, because to get the success, to get a best campaign, you need to set up your campaign very carefully. Then you need to paste here, book a free consultation. Then we have done more than 10,000 successful and expert garden and gardening special landscaping partner. So we can use this description. Add this one, okay, great. Then we can use another then paste here. Okay, so now we need to add images. Okay, so please click this one, and we can use multiple images. So we can paste our website URL here and find out the best keyword here. Okay, so this one is perfect, this one is perfect. Okay, and save this option. Then we need to write a site link, so we will use site link first. So already I have write a site link extension, so add extension is a site link extension. Here you can see for the first group, get free code, get free code, get free code, affordable landscaping service near me. Okay, we will write description first, and we will write second description here, affordable landscaping. Okay, and we need to give final URL. Then we will use service area. In this way we will add site link. In this way I have set up all site link extension. You need to set up site link extension step by step, and it is very careful. Everywhere you should, everywhere keyword and ad copy is so important, so you have to write very carefully. Then please click the create option. After create option, here you can see ad state is average. Now we can go move. Then there has a call out more asset. I think you don't need, you only use for this campaign. If you use the landscaping services and the service businesses, then you need to set up only siteline extension, and other one is call extension. And please go to the next option, and here they give a budget. Okay, we recommended use budget. If you don't want to recommended budget, then we can use $20. Here you can see your custom budget. We can set up $200 every day, but I think our recommended budget is perfect for us. Okay, so then we need to go to the next option. After going to the next option, campaign will check the error. Here is an error. One ad group will prevent. Just fix this error. Here you can see on the right. Here you can see one another one punctuation. View the policy like multiple extension or text. We need to find out where we have added punctuation mark. Okay, I think we have removed the punctuation mark because Google does not allow the punctuation mark. And then go to the next option, and everyone is review. Now everything is okay. Everything is okay. Now we can publish ad campaign. So please click the publish ad campaign. And after publishing ad campaign, we have lots of work still, because we have published only one ad group. Okay, we have set up only one ad group. And here you can see this is the campaign. Please go to the campaign option. After clicking the campaign, this is our campaign. After clicking the campaign, we need to add new ad group. So here you can see new ad group. First of all, you have to add keyword. Here you can see best landscaping. Please add this keyword. Okay, we need to add keyword and write save and continue. And save and continue. After save and continue, we need to write ad copy again. And after write ad copy again, we can publish. In this way you can publish 10 ad group step by step. So hopefully you understand how to set up, how to run a Google ad campaign step by step. If you need any help, any services, let me contact on my WhatsApp number. I will help you. I will help some services completely free. I will help there is some premium services. I will take some charges from you. Thank you so much for watching this video.